We're going to create a new design in Canva. We're going to click Create Design and we're going to select Custom Dimensions. And we're going to put in the dimensions that we were told to use for our hero image on our home page, which is 1200 by 500. That gives us a blank area, and then we can upload a photograph for that. And we can see that this is a vertical photograph and a horizontal image. So as long as the initial photograph is large enough, we can click on the Shift key and drag the corner until we get this to fit. So we may have to zoom out a little bit, hold the Shift key down, and we can drag this into position so that it will fit. You can double click on it. So we can see now we've stretched that out, not stretched it, but enlarged it to fit the width, and it will crop it vertically enough so that it fits in the space. You might find that an image that you want to use won't work in the format that is set for your website, in which case you'd need to find a different image or talk to your web designer about changing the design and the layout for that image. Once you've added the image here, then you can download it. If it's a photograph only, then you can use JPEG format. If you have a logo or something, then it's suggested that you use a PNG. A PNG will be a higher resolution image. It will be crisper, but for a photograph, it's not necessary, and the file size would be very large. So from there, you can download your JPEG image, and you would set your quality, 80% is fine, and then you can download that and upload it to your website. And that's all there is to it.